Hi everybody, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I am going to officially replace the filters in my FJ. So the FJ has stock air filter for the cabin and also for the engine itself. So I have two different brands of filters today. For those who don't know, they are actually sister companies. We have the AEM for the engine filter and we have the K&N for the cabin filter. What is good about these imported filters? Number one, they are reusable. Reusable because you can clean them and use it over and over again. K&N is an oil-based filter, while the AEM is a dry-based filter. Clean filter means cleaner air for the occupants. Cleaner air for your engine means better performance for your engine. In order to use these filters over and over again, you will need to use the refresher kit. For the K&N, it's once a year, but for the AEM, every 10,000 kilometers. But if you don't want to do that, you can just use running water and some dishwashing solution. I would like to give another big shout out to DRAKESPEC Customs for sending me these wonderful filters. Please do check them out in the description section below. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to unbox and also how I'm going to install, and I'm going to show you how it performs as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And Shannon automatic. The engine bay is extremely dirty. I recommend that you also get a better air filter for your car. Very thin, very thick, a bit heavy, a bit light. Very easy, just remove this. There you go. Let me show you how dirty this thing is. Toyota Denso, made in Japan. So this is how the stock filter looks like. It's dirty like crazy. The AEM and the stock. How about the back? They look very different. The K&N, the stock Denso Toyota air filter. And we're done. DRAKESPEC Customs. It looks very clean. Obviously it's a new filter, and hoping that it will bring in better quality air to my engine. Go. Oh. I think it became faster. We will start again. 3, 2, 1, go. For the peace of mind, I feel the car got better. Instead of having a disposable one, I have a reusable one. So that's a good advantage of this AEM and the K&N filters we have today. I'll be still replacing the cabin air filter. I don't know if I can do it by myself. Let's try if I can do the cabin. So for the FJ, it's actually hidden behind the glove box. You can just remove it very easily. Like that. Oh my goodness, this is filthy. You see how dirty this is? Super duper dirty. And this is a disposable one. So we'll be replacing it with a reusable one. So this is the unboxing of the K&N washable cabin air filters by DRAKESPEC Customs. K&N sticker. You would put this on your car so that people in casa will not replace your filter, because this is a washable one. Congratulations! You joined the millions of customers who have invested in 10-year or million-mile limited warranty. Just using my one hand. Oh my goodness, what have I been doing all this time? Oh, it's a bug, my goodness. I held it with my hand. That's the old, then it's the new. K&N filter, guys, from DRAKESPEC Customs. You have to put this inside here, but you need to make the direction this way. See, even with one hand I can do it, and there you go, done. My next step is just to put it inside the cabin. Really easy. Just go under and push it up. Make sure the up button is right there. Then it clicks and it's done. So the first impression is that I feel refreshed. I feel happy for the car because it has new mask. Right now we are having masks and we have different kinds of masks. You have more confidence against those bacteria when you have a better mask. The FJ just received that.